Starting. You landed it! That's awesome. Do it again. Holy guacamole. Molly Kate, run more this way. Yay! I'm so proud of you. Tell me the date and all that good stuff.
It's April 28th, and the first one was my first time ever landing it, and this was the first day I started doing them, and yeah, I'm on carpet.
It's awesome.
In Mommy and Daddy's new bedroom.
It's April 28th, 2016, and we had what today together? What do we have today?
A field trip.
And where'd we go?
Downtown Nashville.
And who was there?
Your mom. Oh yeah, Mom. I want to see it. I want to see it.
Okay, do it one more time. It's just so awesome. Oh, it's okay. It's totally awesome. So they finished our room. Oh, that's funny. Because I'm getting a little stink. Can we open this thing?
Yeah, I'll open it. Me and Oakley had to open it today.
And we just finished the tree house this week. Daddy worked so hard on that for this little girl. Okay.
Got Bud Light.
Okay.
Put a straw in it.
Love ya.
Love you.
Hey, just tell me one time. One time on video.
Love you, mean it.
Love you, mean it.